And then there's one aspect of experiments. Okay, so the idea of blinding applies only to experiments. Okay, and blinding is one way to is another way for us to further the element of control. Okay, so a lot of times we suspect that when people are aware of what treatment they are receiving, that could play a role into the results that we see. Okay, so blinding prevents our participants from knowing which treatment they are receiving. Sometimes we have experiments where the response variable is not a clear-cut objective response variable. For something like weight loss, there's it's an objective thing. You stand on a scale and it tells you how much weight how much you weigh. Okay, there's no opinion there. Other things require an expert to make an evaluation of the response variable. So the response variable could be whether someone has depression or not. Okay, and so there's no, as far as we know today, there's no machine that you just sit in and it says this is your level of depression. Okay, usually you have to talk to a psychiatrist or psychologist, and they will make a mental evaluation of how you are doing. Okay, so if somebody needs to make an evaluation, that person should also not know what type of treatment you are receiving. Okay, so if there's some kind of drug or some kind of therapy or whatever it might be that can be used to treat depression, the person who's making the evaluation of whether or not you have improved should not know the treatment. Okay, so sometimes people making evaluations for the response variable should not know which treatment is being used either. If both the participant and the evaluator don't know, then we call that a double-blind experiment. If both participant and evaluator don't know, that would be double-blind. Okay, and then we also have, for drugs and things like that, we have placebos. Placebos are just a tool used for blinding. Okay, so it's like a fake drug. I think you guys are all familiar with placebos, and it's just a tool used for blinding so that the person doesn't know whether they are receiving drugs with the actual chemical or a pill that looks like a drug. Okay, so that's all I've got for today. No lab section, so if that's it for the day, enjoy your life. Well, actually, you should enjoy your life every day. So we'll see you guys on Wednesday.